If you ever lost marks in report writing simply because you did not know the correct format, this video fixes that for good. Hi everyone, welcome to English Tube. As part of our Independence Day special series, today we are writing a complete Independence Day report for the school magazine in the exact report writing format. So, by the end, you will know precisely how to write a full marks report yourself. Before we start writing, here is the format every report writing question expects. A short heading, a byline with the reporter's name, and then the body in past tense, covering who, what, when, where, why, and how, all within 100 to 150 words. Keep that in mind as we go through this Independence Day report writing example line by line. First is the heading. A day of patriotism and pride. We start with the heading, and this is a great example of Independence Day report writing for a school magazine because it's short, it's catchy, and it tells the reader the mood of the event before they have read a single sentence. Next, by Riya Sharma. Right under the heading comes the byline. Simply the word by followed by the reporter's name. In every report writing format, this line is non-negotiable and it always sits directly below the heading. Next comes the body. The school campus vibrated with patriotic fervor as ABC Public School celebrated the 80th Independence Day on 15th of August 2026. The program commenced with the arrival of the chief guest, Group Captain retired Arvind Sharma, who was warmly received by the principal and the school cabinet. The national flag was unfurled amidst the singing of the national anthem, creating an atmosphere of pride and unity. This opening paragraph is doing a lot of work in just 3 sentences. It covers the school, the date, the chief guest, and how the ceremony began. That's your who, what, when, and where, all in past tense. Exactly what examiners look for in a strong 80th Independence Day report. Now watch how the report builds from here, because this middle section is where most students lose marks by simply listing in events instead of writing them properly. And we are about to fix that. The celebration featured a vibrant cultural program comprising patriotic songs, dances, speeches, and poems. The highlight of the event was a moving theatrical presentation portraying India's remarkable journey from the freedom struggle to the vision of Viksit Bharat 2047. Which earned loud applause from the audience. In his inspiring address, the chief guest urged students to uphold the values of integrity, discipline, and selfless services to the nation. This is the detailing paragraph, and notice the technique here. Instead of giving equal weight to every single activity, one moment the theatrical presentation is picked out as the highlight and described a little more. That's exactly how you turn a plain list of events into a well-written Independence Day report. A quick reminder before we finish: if you are preparing for your CBSE English exam or writing for your own school magazine, subscribe to English Tube right now. This report is the part of our Independence Day special series with more speeches, essays, and writing formats coming all week. Now, let's continue writing. The program concluded with a vote of thanks, the distribution of sweets, and the national song. The celebration left every heart filled with gratitude, patriotism, and a renewed commitment to building a stronger India. And here's how every good report should end: a factual close, vote of thanks, sweets, national song, followed by one line that sums up the feeling of the whole event. That combination is what turns an average report into a full marks Independence Day report writing sample. And that's a complete ready to use Independence Day report writing example in the correct format. Don't forget to subscribe to English Tube for more report writing formats, speeches, essays as part of our ongoing Independence Day special series. See you in the next one. Jai Hind.